I'm off to Emily's school later, so do a quick get ready with me. But actually going to show you guys what makeups in my travel bags. Even I'm not traveling, but we're switching between two flats. One is the current rented one and the other one is my parents' house. And let's see what I got. We start from the primer. This is the new bottle I just opened because the smaller one, which is in my travel bag, is completely finished. So I literally just opened this one. I've been using this one since it was launched. Would I repurchase? Yes. Oh, I just finished the sunblock. There is nothing else on the face. And just the primer to start with. This one is so convenient that you can use as a primer as well as a setting spray. This one does not change the finishing of your makeup. I absolutely love it, and it does extend your makeup. I normally spray heavily as a primer and let it properly dry. Next is the concealer first, just for correcting purpose. The one I'm having in my travel bag isn't my favorite, but how to say, I have in two minds of it. It's from Passional Lover. I did one of the videos about it that I didn't overly keen on it. I just feel it's still sinking to the lines, which it does. I still feel that I need to get used to it, but what I do like it is the color combination. The color designs are very good. Very much matching my skin tone. I don't have to mix and match too much, which provides me the convenience. Hence, I didn't take it out. Anyway, let's start from the correcting under the eyes. Less is more, that's what I find with this one. It's very, very creamy, but at the same time, if the layer is a little bit thick, it just definitely sinks into the lines. See, if it's a sheer layer, it doesn't sink into the lines. But if you do require too much technique of applying the product, personally, I feel, well, at least as a consumer, right? We are not professional makeup artists. I will have less motivation to use it. Let's put it that way. You see, for correcting, it's very good. And for the redness, dark markers, and I used this one, which is like an ash, muddy green. And the next one in my bag is the cushion foundation, which is from Florasis, the new one. New Jade White, good for sensitive skin, that one. If you haven't seen my first impression and 8 hours testing, check out this video. Really good, really good. You don't require too much technique. It ticks all the boxes right away, but the only thing is less is more. You only dip gently once. That's more than enough. Since I first time use it, I haven't stopped. This one is really good. I normally tap this one to the area where I need coverage the most. I haven't dipped back in, so just use what is left and spread out. For the pores area, all you do is gently, like that, to press the product in. Gently go over your eyes as you had concealer before. Just one dip. Show you guys the pores area, see. Guys, highly recommend this one, especially if you're like me, would really appreciate additional 5 minutes in bed in the morning. This would absolutely save your life. Once you're happy with, I normally seal another layer of setting spray. Powders I use two. One is a setting spray from Florasis. Have I ever mentioned it to you guys? Have you guys seen this one? The white bottle one? No? I can't remember, but anyway, this is a new setting spray, but I've been using it for a while now. What's the miracle of this setting spray is it contains full sets of setting powder in there. So before you're using it, you need to shake it well. Let the powder merge with the lotions inside properly, then you spray it. It will give you a beautiful foggy finish. This will be very, very good for even dry skins. That if you don't want to use the powder to set your face, you can use this one instead. But for me, if I like my makeup to last even longer, especially if I need another share of coverage, I use Florasis this blurring pressed powder. I did a special video for this. This is really good. It's very different from any other powders that I used, especially the Makeup Forever one, like saying in Real Skin, that powder. That one requires too much technique. As a normal people like us, you have an alternative, let's put it that way. And I show you guys how much I actually used. It proves, okay, I have so many powders, but this one is so good. You can use with dry puff, wet puff, any type of puff. Basically, it will deliver beautiful result, and it requires no technique. All you need to do is get the puff, grab the powder, you know, even it out a little bit, and all you do is just press it on. Can you straight away see the difference? Say no more. The product says itself. From the brow powder, this is the brand. I only know in Chinese, so I fast forward this part as you guys have seen me do my brows many times. For contour, I use Judydoll, this one. Very good. Oh, going to recommend this brush to you guys for nose contour. It looks bulky, but really effective and easy to use, especially if you have more like a meaty round nose shape myself. This is from Fix Plus and it is MN18. If you're interested in any product and you want to know the name or my shade of it, I will have all the product details in the description box. Look at this size. And look at the shape. Well, for some of you, probably already good as a contour brush, but for me, as I got big nose, for contouring the nose, it's just a miracle. So you dip into here. Start from here, the heaviest point from here, go up, down, turn inside a little bit over here, like a sharpen, corner like this, and then goes up. That's it. Can you see this side, the difference compared to here? Oh, this is so good, this one. And then I use the same brush to contour the eyes. I just literally use the width of the brush, then go over my eyelid, like that. You see, it literally covers my eyelid perfectly. That's it, done. For contouring the face, I mix this too. When you see the contouring videos, especially from YouTube, they don't necessarily suit you, so I would recommend to search a little bit more YouTubers who has a similar face shape as you. Mine is more round and square, so the way like the eye contour myself may not be suit you, but definitely work for similar face shape, like round here and more square here. Because our jaw is certainly going outwards like this, so we can't just contour the jawline, we need to extend it out, but not the entire line. We need to extend out to here, where's the more pointing area, so like that, and then go over like this. Before I do the eyes, I will do the blush first. Use TIMAGE, this one. This become my ultimate blush palette. And I also use as eye look as well. It's just so multifunctional. I use the lightest color. Dot just for the under eye. No brainer. You don't need to think too much. And the color is perfectly designed with the pigmentation. There is no kind of oh, would I use too much? Oh, would I need to be very gentle? No, you just scroll on and apply. Use the main color of the brush. Then more dotted towards here where I need you guys to see. Okay, then use the more darker color. It's not darker, it's kind of just like one shade darker to join the blush with the contour. Then just go over the side of the face, make all in one. I use Florasis, this one, dip into this color. Start from lower lash line. From out corner, zigzag towards inner corner and then extend it outwards, downwards. And then more focus on the out corner, upper lid, zigzag, drag it upwards to the eye socket and move inwards towards the inner corner. And then use the shimmer color. This one is very fine and subtle. See? This one has a stronger base color and the finishing is more like a sheen. I use middle and then extend it into inner corner. Then dip into the lightest color to highlight the fake eye bag. Use an angled brush, dip into the darkest color. I use the Dancing Up gel liner. The lashes, color, electronic color, and the mascara from Flower Nose. Sorry, my camera stopped recording because it went too hot. And I literally just finished the mascara and the lip product, which is Florasis new liquid lipstick, color 401. You guys must have seen this one already, have you? If you haven't, check out the video over here, which is this one. Very pretty. And this lasts fairly long as well. Do the hair. This one is quite nice, quite good. This is literally just like a brush, hairbrush, but it's a heated one. I'm very happy with the makeup today. Do check out the description box and let me know any particular items you are interested, you want to see more detailed review of it. Leave your comments down below. Always like to chat with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you on my next one.